Since we're going to be doing a bright colorful look, I'm going to use my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk. And this is going to be my eyeshadow base. So I'm going to apply this all over the lid, up to the brow bone. And I'm going to blend it in with my finger. And then I'm going to apply my Airspun translucent powder on top of it, just to set it and make sure my eyeshadows do not crease. Off, I'm going to take that pretty vibrant orange color and I'm going to apply that in the crease as my transition color. Look at that pigment on that brush. That's serious. For my next color, I'm going to take this dark color, right, dark pink color. It's like, and I'm going to take that. I'm just going to kind of wipe off my brush on this napkin, just to make sure there's no orange pigment, just other than it being stained. And I'm going to take that like fuchsia color and I'm going to apply this right on top of that orange, maybe like a slight little bit lower. All of these colors are really pigmented. I'm not disappointed at all, especially coming from someone who loves color. I do have blue earrings on. I guess my intentions were to do something with like the bluish purple colors in this palette, but you see how well that turned out. So I think I'm gonna add in blue now that I have that going on. So I'm actually going to take this dark blue teal color up here, and I'm actually gonna take that on this fluffy dome eyeshadow brush. This is from BH Cosmetics. This is the number 24. So I'm just gonna dip into that. Oh my god. All of these shadows are like freaking seriously pigmented. Like I'm even scared of them. So we're gonna take this and pack. Look at that. Do you see that? Jeez. Okay, so I'm gonna pat a little bit on this eye as well. Oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm just gonna work this right on this outer V just to deepen up the look. I think I'm going to add some yellow. So what I'm going to do real quick is I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Fit Me concealer and this little and a detailing brush, and I'm just going to carve out that first half just so the yellow looks a little bit more precise. I'm going to take that yellow on a flat eyeshadow brush. For it being right on top of concealer, that's pretty bright. Like this. I think that's enough colors for now. I'm gonna go ahead and apply some mascara. So for mascara today, I'm going to use the Benefit Their Real Mascara. I'm gonna tight line with my ColourPop eyeliner in the color Swerve. I have to go ahead and clean up under my eyes, obviously, but for eyelashes, I'm going to use these Carol eyelashes, and these are from Shop Miss A, duh. I always use Shop Miss A lashes, and this is in the style 605. So these are very full and dramatic lashes, and I feel like they will kind of balance out this look a little bit, so I'm going to go ahead and apply these, and then I'll be right back. Okay, so I finished off the rest of my face. For the most part, I had to change my lashes because we were having some technical difficulties and I wasn't having it. So I went ahead and switched to my other favorite, which I can't find the... Oh, it's on the floor. Hold on. My other favorite, which are the Alexis eyelashes. These are from Shop Miss. These are from Shop Miss A as well. I have them linked down below for you guys. I started applying the dark teal color. In the palette, I started applying this on the outer corners, on the lower half, just because I wanted it to kind of connect to the top. Then on the inner corner, I'm going in with the same pink that I used in my crease. So I'm just going to apply this right next to it. Now in the inner corner, I'm going back in with my NYX Jumbo Pencil in Milk, and I'm just going to apply like a little dot right there. And right on top of that dot, I'm going to go in with a brand new color. I'm going to go in with this beautiful like minty teal, and I'm going to apply that right on top of that white. I'm just going to go in with a clean blending brush and just run that right underneath just to make sure that's nicely blended. Okay, so here is the final look. I went ahead and added a liquid lipstick to this. I will have the liquid lipstick down below because it's from my Ipsy bag. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys like this look, definitely give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already, and stay tuned. And let me know if you want to see any more looks with this palette down below. So also let me know if you picked up this palette. But alright, I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Bye!